The Consulate General of India in New York, in collaboration with the Federation of India Associations, FIA, hosted a curtain raiser event for the 42nd Annual India Day Parade. Attendees included Consul General Binaya S. Pradhan, FIA President Dr. Avinash Gupta, Trustee Strujal Parekh, FIA Chairman Ankur Vaidya and Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parekh, amongst others. Dr. Gupta highlighted the parade's theme, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and encouraged community participation. Consul General Pradhan assured continued support for the event. The highlight of the evening was the announcement of acclaimed actor Pankaj Tripathi as the guest of honor. An exclusive video of his involvement in the parade was shared, adding to the excitement for the upcoming event. The 42nd Annual India Day Parade will take place on Sunday, August 18th, 2024.
हिंदुस्तान के बाहर अपने देश की आज़ादी का सबसे बड़ा जश्न उत्सव मनाता है न्यूयॉर्क में। सो मैं उत्साहित हूँ, गर्वान्वित हूँ कि इस साल हिंदुस्तान को, अपने देश को मैं रिप्रेजेंट करने वहाँ आ रहा हूँ इतने बड़े आयोजन में, जो अपना इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस का परेड होता है 18 अगस्त को इस साल। आप भी आए, ज्वाइन करें, हम अपने समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक परंपरा को दिखाएंगे दुनिया को, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के संदेश को प्रसारित करेंगे और मिलके हिंदुस्तान के आज़ादी के जश्न को मनाएंगे। थैंक यू।
हेलो, नमस्ते। आज का शुभ दिन है। हम लोग कर्टन रेजर प्रोग्राम FIA की तरफ से ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था और हमारे बीच जो हैं हमारे प्रेसिडेंट हैं डॉक्टर अविनाश गुप्ता और ITV गोल्ड के चेयरमैन हैं डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक जी। अब उसके साथ साथ आप जो देख रहे हैं इतने भीड़ जो है, हम ये सब भारतवासी हैं और ऊपर से उसमें भी हम बिहार और झारखंड के हैं, ठीक है। और ये हमारे बनाए हुए बिहारी हैं, ये इनको हमने बनाए हुए लाइफ मेंबर है, ठीक है। सो भारत माता की जय है। और हमारे माननीय प्रेसिडेंट आज स्पेशली इनवाइट करेंगे पूरे भारतवासी के लोगों को परेड के लिए।
I am Dr. Avinash Gupta, President of FIA, and I invite all viewers of ITV Gold for the India Day Parade on Sunday, August 18. और हमारे साथ आज सब बजाना के लोग हैं, बिहार झारखंड एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका। आप देख रहे हैं सबके चेहरे पर मुस्कान है। ऐसा इसलिए है कि आज हम लोगों ने गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर अनाउंस किया, जो कि बिहार के सुपरस्टार हैं पंकज त्रिपाठी जी। अब वो आ रहे हैं तो बहुत खुशी की बात है। फ्लोट्स रहेगा, कल्चरल प्रोग्राम है, बूथ्स है, उसके बाद ग्रैंड गाला है नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ अमेरिकन इंडियन में। तो आइए सब पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए परेड में। और हमारे साथ डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक है, पद्म श्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक, ITV गोल्ड के चेयरमैन।
Well, I'm a very proud life member of the Bajana and Bajana from right from 1982 since 50 years. With the Dr. G.N. Roy, my good friend, late G.N. Roy, and Sudhanshu ji, yes. And really, Bajana and Jharkhand Association is a great association. I have observed for last 50 years all your activities and promoted all your activities in our media, TV as well as the newspaper. And I think Dr. Avinash, a great friend of mine, he's doing great he's going to be doing the great parade this year, better than any other parade in last 41 years. So let's come together, call our friends, call our relatives, and be part of the historical parade led by Dr. Avinash Gupta.
Namaskar. This is Binay Pradhan. I'm Consul General of India in New York. Today we had a curtain raiser event of the Grand India Day Parade that happens every year, and this year it's happening on 18th of August in the Madison Avenue. This is being organized by FIA and the Consulate General of India. This year we are expecting to have a bigger turnout than previous years, and this year, as I can after the event, as I can see the enthusiasm among the different groups who are participating. I can say that like last year, this year also we are expecting quite a diverse number of floats representing the rich Indian heritage, culture, and other traditions of India. I compliment FIA for organizing this grand celebration every year on the occasion of Indian independence. And this year, of course, the Consulate General of India would be participating like previous years with a float with a creative theme. Thank you.
Srujal Parikh, the trustee, Federation of Indian Association. We are here at the Consul General of India in New York to celebrate India's Independence Day kickoff. So today we have gathered, we are invited all the guests, supporters, the media. Of course, our Padma Shri Sudhir Bhai is here, who's a long-time supporter of FIA. And we've been going to make the announcement of the guests and what they can see in India Day Parade. So there are a lot to see in India Day Parade this year. I wait for the moment to announce the big announcement of the Grand Marshal, the guest of honors, and this India Day Parade. So looking forward to see you all the ITV viewers to come join us, celebrate August 18th on Madison Avenue. Jai Hind.
Well, I'm Dr. Sudhir Parikh. I'm a senior advisor to FIA and long-time supporter of the FIA. Here with me, my good friend Srujal Parikh, who is also co-trustee in FIA, as well as my good friend Haresh Shah. This is a part of the executive committee. Haresh is a part of the executive committee, and we are going to announce a kickoff kind of to FIA parade as usual every year. And FIA is this is the 42nd year, and FIA, the parade is really a great window between the Indian American community and the American community, as well as the first generation of the Indians, as well as the second and third generation of the Indian, to see how India is, what is Indian culture is, and how Indian freedom and freedom fighters and how they got the freedom, and all these things about India will be shown in the India Day Parade. And it's going to be a second largest parade next to the Delhi Parade, Republican Day Parade. So please come, get your friends there, get your family there, and enjoy the parade on 18th of August. Thank you.
From Bajana, we request everyone should be participate in our big Dr. Avinash Gupta from ex-Bajana president is this time, and Pankaj Tripathi, the well-known Bihari, is coming as a marshal. So please, we are requesting all family should join on 18th August.
We should join, and we will join, and we will enjoy, and we will make it a great success. We will.
Good evening, everyone. And I remember like yesterday when I first came to America, and I was so excited to be part of my first, but actually the third India Day Parade in 1983. I was so excited when I came and I learned that India Day Parade was going to happen. I just could not wait for the day to come. And even today, 43 years later, I still have the same feeling exactly. I want to be part of it, and every one of you should be also. Please join the parade on August 18th, 2024 and be part of it. Thank you.
अभी आपको हमने दिखाया FIA के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर अविनाश गुप्ता, और हमारे बीच हैं बिहार, झारखंड, नॉर्थ अमेरिका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर संजीव सिंह। इनके दो शब्द।
इस मंच के माध्यम से आज देख रहे हैं बजाना के लोग आए हैं, और ये इंडिया डे परेड 42nd इंडिया डे परेड है, एंड अविनाश जी जिसको लीड कर रहे हैं, और हम पूरे भारतवासी उनके साथ हैं। और इस बार जैसे बताया कि बिहार का गौरव पंकज त्रिपाठी भी आ रहे हैं। आप लोग सब ने देखा होगा मिर्ज़ापुर, ताज़ा मिर्ज़ापुर 3, अभी उनको लाइव देखिए 18 अगस्त को मेडिसन एवेन्यू पे। तो आप लोग सब लोग आइए, आप लोग सब लोग को इनवाइट करते हैं, और सब लोग एक साथ भारत पर्व मनाएंगे।
So I'm Prashant Tripathi from State Bank of India, New York branch. I would like to congratulate Federation of Indian Association for successfully organizing this parade for the last 42 years. I have been part of this journey for the last 3 years, and this is going to be my 4th year as far as this India Day Parade is concerned. I am so glad that the parade of this magnitude is being organized in New York, far away from our motherland. And truly it is a special moment for each of the Indian people who are living in not only New York and entire US, celebrating the independence of the largest democracy from the land of oldest democracy is a different feeling. It is a completely different feeling altogether. But my point is, the way this FIA is organizing this event flawlessly, all kudos to them, especially to Mr. Ankur Vaidya, the chairman of FIA. So we have been participating and we have been supporting this endeavor for the last so many years, and this year also will be coming in full strength to celebrate India's Independence Day parade here in New York. Thank you so much.
Namaste, Bharat Mata ki Jai. God bless America. It's indeed a privilege and an honor to be here. I'm thankful to Parikh Worldwide Media, Dr. Parikh, and the entire team. News India Times, Gujarat Times, Desi Talk team that have continuously supported us, Ilyas Bhai, Ilaji, and the entire crew there who have been like a family to us, who have supported us wholeheartedly and selflessly to make every year a stellar year for our motherland, shining here in New York, in Manhattan, on Madison Avenue. I urge all of the viewers of ITV Gold and Parikh Worldwide Media to come in numbers, bring your friends, bring your family. August 18th, Sunday, 12:30 p.m. onwards. Please come, support us, support your own community, and show the mainstream America that we have the love of our motherland in our heart, and patriotism and pride for our culture and for our roots. So be there, be safe. God bless you all. Bharat Mata ki Jai. May God bless America.
18th अगस्त इंडिया डे परेड यहाँ का FIA की तरफ से सबसे बड़ा हमारा इंडिपेंडेंस सेलिब्रेशन आउट ऑफ इंडिया, और उसमें हमारे बहुत ही आपके सबके चहेते बहुत ही अच्छे कलाकार पंकज त्रिपाठी जी आ रहे हैं जो बिहार के गौरव हैं। प्लीज़ आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आकर के हमारे इस सेलिब्रेशन का हिस्सा बनिए। आप सब लोग आइए और बड़ी संख्या में आइए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Myself Pramod Bhagat, President World Peace and Health Foundation. What an incredible day. FIA as usual doing a great work for the community for last many decades. And today is a curtain raiser event. It's a very special event is going to be happen. And after 15th August, following Sunday, it's a special jhanki with the Lord Ram Mandir. So we all are very, very excited, and our consulate, we have a curtain raiser event. So we all are the part of this curtain raiser. We all going to be enjoy with more than 500,000 people at our street. Welcome to ITV Gold people, and like Dr. Sudhir Parikh, as usual, Dr. Padma Shri Sudhir Parikh ji and all our team. So always we are supporting for the community event. Thank you very much.
I'm Puneet Mishra. I'm professor at AIIMS, New Delhi, and I'm visiting here in US. Very exciting event, and I'm very happy to know about this event, that this year it's going to be replica of Ram Mandir during India Day Parade, and it's a really very prestigious moment for all Indians. And I have heard a lot about this parade in India, and first time I'm witnessing this curtain raiser. I'm very happy to be here. Thanks to Dr. Sudhir Parikh, thanks to our consulate, thanks to the Indian community here for inviting me to this event. Thank you very much.
And Federation of Indian
Association, Ankur ji and Shrajal ji, everybody invited. Thank you very much, and I wish all the success to this parade. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shalaka Saman. It is for the program we are attending today for the curtain raiser event. It is for our Independence Day program, which is parade going to happen on 18th of August in New York, 38th Street. Please, everybody should come over. It is starting from 12 p.m. onwards. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Professor Indrajit Saluja at the Indian Consulate. We are here today for the curtain raiser of the FIA Independence Day Parade, which is popularly known as India Day Parade. And this parade is being held on 18th of August. This is an occasion which fills every Indian with pride. A long time to spent in the struggle for independence, and now we have been free for the last 75 years now. And on this occasion, We are going to celebrate the coming Independence Day, and here we are waiting for the curtain raiser, and I'm sure the way I have been told about the program, it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful evening here, and I hope that it would be a wonderful India Day parade, given the information about the enormity of the program that they have prepared. So congratulations to FIA for this annual event, and congratulations to the consulate here who are hosting it, and of course all of us should congratulate ourselves on this wonderful occasion. And I must thank, before I leave, ITV Gold for recording this event. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mamta Narula. I'm the MC associated with FIA for a very long time. And today we have gathered here to unveil the 42nd India Independence Day unveiling of that and the poster, and we will talk about what all is in store for people. Get ready.
Good evening. Very happy to be here to celebrate, to have our launch today of the India Day Parade, which will take place on August the 18th, Sunday, on Madison Avenue. It's a beautiful day. We're looking forward to the parade. FIA is going to have the 48th annual parade this year on Madison Avenue. And I'm very happy to be here. I'm Andy Bhatia, Past President of FIA and a trustee.